Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your Cuny credentials and selecting your authentication device. This matters because MFA ties to identity verification. Once done, open your browser to Cuny Account Management and sign in with your username and password. Make sure your phone has a stable connection and the Authenticator app is installed. Next, choose the option to set up multi-factor authentication. This is the first actionable step that triggers the registration flow and links your device to your Cuny account. Now register your device and preferred verification methods so you can receive codes. Once you select the Authenticator app option, the portal will display a QR code. Open the app, choose Add Account, and scan that code or enter the setup key manually if scanning fails. Make sure to also add a phone number for SMS or a hardware token as a backup. Redundancy prevents lockouts. After adding methods, verify each by approving a test sign-in or entering a generated code to confirm successful registration. Finish by choosing your primary authentication method and saving backup codes. This finalizes enrollment and ensures you can regain access if needed. Once done, print or securely store the generated recovery codes and note any hardware token serial numbers. Make sure to test a complete sign-out and sign-in cycle to validate everything. If something goes wrong, such as failed codes or lost phone, immediately use a recovery code or contact Cuny IT support so they can reset your MFA. This is the single most effective troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.